There's a 30-second test that doctors use to predict how well you'll age. And it has nothing to do with blood pressure, cholesterol, or anything in your blood. It's a chair. This simple test comes straight from the CDC, and your score today says more about your next 10 years than almost any number your doctor writes down. In the next few minutes, you'll take the test yourself. You'll find out exactly what your score means for your age. And you'll learn the one exercise that improves that score faster than anything else. Faster than daily walking. And stay with me, because there's one mistake almost everyone makes with this exercise. It's the reason it hurts their knees instead of helping their legs. Here's the test. It's called the 30-second chair stand, and it comes from the CDC's Falls Prevention Program. You need a sturdy chair without armrests, set against a wall so it can't slide. Now, cross your arms over your chest. This part matters. No hands allowed. When you're ready, stand up fully, sit back down, and count how many complete stands you can do in 30 seconds. That's the whole test. So go ahead, pause this video, set a timer for 30 seconds, and try it right now. I'll be here when you're done. And whatever number you get, remember it. Write it down if you can. That number is your starting line. Now, why would something so simple predict anything? Because standing up from a chair without your hands uses almost everything that aging quietly takes away. Thigh strength, hip power, balance, and the speed at which your muscles fire. You use this exact movement dozens of times a day. Getting out of bed, out of the car, off the couch. It's not a party trick, it's a vital sign. And the research behind this is striking. A famous Brazilian study, published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology, followed more than 2,000 adults for years. The people who needed the most help getting up, hands, knees, elbows, were roughly 5 times more likely to die during the study period than those who rose with ease. Rising ability, it turns out, is one of the strongest simple predictors we have. So, what did you get? Here are the CDC's benchmarks. And be honest with yourself. If you're in your 60s, below about 14 stands for men or 12 for women is below average. In your 70s, below about 12 for men and 10 for women. And over 80, below about 10 for men and 9 for women. Take a moment, find your row, and see where you land. Now, here's the part most people miss. If your score was low, that is not bad news. A low score is the single most fixable warning sign in all of aging. This number moves. People improve it in weeks, and improving it matters, because 1 in 4 Americans over 65 falls every single year, and weak legs are the #1 physical reason why. Here's what's actually happening inside your legs. After 60, you don't just lose muscle, you lose muscle power. That's the fast part of strength. And power disappears at up to twice the speed, roughly 3 to 4% a year, versus 1 to 2% for plain strength. Power is what catches you when you trip. It's what gets you off the floor, up the stairs, and out of a low car seat. And here's the uncomfortable truth about walking. Walking is wonderful for your heart, your mood, your joints. Please keep walking. But study after study shows it barely builds leg power at all, because walking never asks your muscles for more than they already have. That's why people who walk faithfully every single day can still struggle to rise from a low sofa. Endurance and power are 2 different things. The fix? You've already met it. The sit to stand, done as an exercise, not just a test, is the closest thing aging research has to a magic bullet for your legs. It trains exactly the muscles, exactly the movement, and exactly the power you're losing. No gym, no equipment, just the chair you tested on. Here's your routine. 3 levels. Find yours. Level 1. If you scored low or feel unsteady, Use a firmer, higher chair and push lightly off your thighs as you rise. Your thighs, not the armrests. Stand tall, pause for 1 full second, then sit back slowly, taking 3 whole seconds to lower yourself down. That slow lowering is secretly half the workout. Level 2 is the standard. Arms crossed, 8 to 12 stands, controlled on the way down, strong on the way up. Think slow sit, strong stand. And level 3, for building real power, stand up fast, as quickly as you safely can, then lower slow. Fast up, slow down. That speed is what retrains the reflex that catches you when you stumble. 2 sets, 3 days a week, with a rest day in between. And now, the mistake I promised you. The reason this exercise hurts some people's knees. It's leading with your knees instead of your nose. If you push your knees forward and heave straight up, all that load grinds into your kneecaps. Instead, remember 3 words: nose over toes. Hinge forward from your hips, let your weight settle onto your whole foot, and then rise. Try it once, right now. Feel that? The effort just moved out of your knees and into the big muscles of your thighs and hips. Here's what happens when people do this consistently. Week 1, it simply feels easier. That's your nervous system waking up muscle you already had. By week 3 or 4, you're rising from lower chairs without thinking about it. And at 30 days, most people add 3 to 5 stands to their test score. That's a whole different row on that CDC chart. The real-life version? Carrying groceries up the steps without stopping. Getting off the floor after playing with your grandkids, without scanning the room for something to grab. Staying in your own home. Moving on your own terms. That's what these 30 seconds a day are actually buying you. Walking keeps you moving. This keeps you independent. So here's your assignment. Today, take the test and write your number on the fridge. This week, your level. 2 sets, 3 days. 30 days from now, retest and come back and tell me what happened. In fact, tell me right now. Drop your age and your score in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll be cheering for your retest. And if this was clearer than the last 10 health videos you've watched, that's what this channel is. Real science, real sources on screen, made simple. Subscribing is free, and it tells YouTube to keep showing you what actually works. One last thing, I'm an educator, not your doctor. If you're recovering from surgery or a fall, check with your physician before you start. The chair's waiting. 30 seconds. Your move.